So hello everybody. So today we are here to talk about our first transplant patient. So he was our patient on dialysis for over 1.5 years, and we had seen him go through a lot of issues during dialysis, multiple admissions. So the only way out of this to have a near normal life was to get him to have a transplant. So that's when we decided that we will apply for a transplant. We got our license last month, and fortunately, his father came forward to donate one of his kidneys. And once he came forward, we did a lot of tests to see the risk associated and whether they were a good match. And fortunately, everything was fine. And we went ahead and did the transplant. And post transplant, he was kept in the transplant unit. And I think the donor was fine and discharged within the 4th day of transplant. And the recipient kidney actually started to work immediately after surgery, and it normalized within 4 days after the transplant surgery, and we could discharge him with a normal kidney function at 7 days. So this is a very proud moment for us, and everything went on smoothly thanks to the support of multiple teams involved: nursing, other supportive doctors, management, and other support staff. So hopefully more and more patients come forward to get the transplant, and we also wish more and more donors came forward to donate their kidney to their loved ones. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Ashwin, urologist and transplant surgeon working at Sidecare Hospital. ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊತ್ತ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅನಾಟಮಿ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 1.5 years ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಜರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಏಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೋಗಿಗೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ that is all. Our hospital is very happy to announce the first transplant, and it's the most successful one from our side. And thank you all.
Good afternoon to all of you. We have done our first kidney transplant. Our hospital was always been considered as oncology based. Now we are diversifying into uronephro and other specialties. As part of it, we had applied for the license and we got the license by October. And the team of Dr. Kritika, Dr. Ashwin, and the anesthetist, we have the entire team, and we have set up a team, and they have spoken to the patient, and the patient was willing, and we were able to do a successful transplant. And I can tell you that we are equipped with the state-of-the-art transplant theater. You have an ICU, you have the required support staff, nurses, all of them, anesthetists required for it. So that's the reason we are able to do a transplant without it has become a successful transplant, and we look forward to more such transplants. And we are also looking at supporting the patients. We have 500 odd patients who are there right now, and few of them we are also talking to them who would need the transplant. And so we want to take this program forward in a big way. And so that's it. And we are also applying for, as we have, some of you all have asked for government schemes. We are in the process of applying for CGHS in the next month, and maybe in the next 6 months we will go for government schemes as well. So request all of you to support and also send this message that about somebody is giving an organ to a relative. It's a big thing actually. It's like a sacrifice, I think. And most important thing is that you can live with one kidney without any much issues. So that is one thing message you should communicate to the general public. Thank you.
ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಘಾಟಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಒಂದು ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.